Good evening, everybody. Just finished up the smoke extraction for the Comgrow laser enclosure I have around my Atom Stack X7 Pro. So they include a small wood plate and a 3D white printed plate here and an adapter for a 3-inch tube. And I 3D printed a window mount. I'm gonna cut a rectangle board and mount that onto it. I was able to mount a fan through here and have a band clamp on the end there, and I'll get another one for this side. But I had built this frame previously and made it with an expanded steel grate, so it has some spacing for the smoke and exhaust to vent out, and it will now be drawn out through that tube. This cover has a tinted window, and I use an aquarium pump. It's one of the aquaculture with the two output that's wide together, and the hose runs through here and goes inside. There's a new thumb screw, and then it goes down to a 3D printed nozzle. But I'll have this going tomorrow probably, working on some projects. But if you have any questions, just post them below. Please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.